Hey guys, it's Koogly again with another video, and this time it is more of an unboxing video, so stay tuned for that. So guys, this time I've got something pretty interesting. I found this product on Amazon and I really wanted to use it because it solves two of my things which I wanted, and it combines it into one single product. Now, if you look over there, that is a digital candle or whatever you want to call one of those. I'm pretty much really into lighting stuffs. I do have a lot of plans to get done with my space and all that. I really like the Philip Hue stuff. I really like the controllable lighting fixtures and all that. I'm a huge fan of that. And I found one really cool thing. It is a Bluetooth speaker with color lights and all that. There is a link in the description so you can check that out. Now the one I have got is not the cheapest one, it's not the most expensive one, it's the middling option. There is a way cheaper options which might work just as well, but you know, that is just how it is. It's called the torch lamp portable speaker, which works as a nightshade lamp. It has lights, it has music, it has a SD card slot maybe, it works with the phone, and it has a hanging thingy. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Now it has this is the box of it. It has all the instructions given on the box, so you don't have to worry about it. So you have a candlelight function, also it has a color function, which is pretty interesting. I will get into that. Let's open it up. There is nothing much about it. Let's open it up and show you guys what you get with the package. So I've already opened this up. I have already seen what it is, and here is the light speaker thingy which you get. Honestly, it kind of resembles like garbage bag, but again, it's not the most expensive thing, and honestly, it is not the most expensive speaker either. Just a background into why I got this one. This is the speaker I have been using. Now, I have made a video on this one. This is a great speaker. Now, this is a no-name speaker which I got during my travels abroad, and it worked really well. As you can see, if you are an Indian, you know the word jugaad, and I have been using all sorts of jugaads to get this thing to work. It still works, and it still is a great speaker, but the whole look of it is pretty much ruined with all the extra stuff. This is a portable power bank which I bought for about 90 rupees because the battery in this one exploded. That's what happened. I had to remove it and get a extra battery pack welded and all that with this one to make it work. So I wanted to have something upgraded, and I'm not really interested in paying upwards of 1000 rupees for a speaker just so that I can just use it at home. So I got this one at a fairly cheap price. You can check out the link in the description. This is the entire thing. It is plastic. Of course, it would be plastic. It's not glass. It has a hanging thingy. If you want to be artistic, you can hang it around somewhere. I don't know where, but you do have that option. It does have a non-slip feet, which is pretty interesting. It has a keyboard which has a mode option, and it also has the reverse, forward, stop button, the play pause, and you have the next button, all that, volume up, volume down, all of it is available. And it has the aux input, which was important for me. It has a DC 5 volt input, which is a micro USB. I would be happy with micro USB or a USB type C. Of course, at this price range you cannot expect for a USB type C. It also has a micro SD card selection and also a USB option. Now this USB can also be used as a power bank output to any of your device which may need a power bank. Now I'm not entirely sure about the battery inside of this one, but the Amazon page says that it is good for about 4 to 5 hours of music playback. In any case, let's turn this on and show you guys what it is. So I have turned it on, and you can see. So you have that typical, like seriously typical Chinese product introduction and all that. Now it is in Bluetooth mode. It works pretty well. I have used it in Bluetooth mode. Let's just connect it to my phone and see what we have here. Pair new device. Hopefully it will get something. So it comes up as a 671. I'm gonna pair it. Let's pair it. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully. Okay, very good. So it has been connected. Let's play some music. So here it is. It's playing now. Hopefully you guys can hear it. This is the maximum volume of it. It is now at maximum volume. So that is the overall sound you can expect with it, and to be extremely honest, for the price of it, I'm pretty impressed with the quality and all that. Now, there is no discernible tight bass which you would expect from something which is more substantial. Something like this one, it is a single speaker setup. This is a dual speaker with a tweeter setup, and this one obviously has a better quality of music, so I might just go back to using that one. But for sheer usefulness, I cannot fault it for the price of it. It does work. The bass is kind of loose. I mean, I would even say there is no bass with many of the songs which I've played, and it is what it is. Now, something which I did find when using this one is that when you're going into aux mode, you have to go and do this one.
Aux input mode.
Yeah, you have to press the mode button to switch it into aux. Just plugging in the aux cable doesn't really work. So just so you guys know. Apart from that, there is a lighting features. I will turn on a few of my lights just to show you guys how it works. So you have the candlelight mode on now. So it is touch sensitive. So right now it is the normal one, which is turned off. And if you are charging this, something else which I noticed is if you're charging this, there will be a slight red glow. There is a red LED somewhere around here which does make everything glow red, so it's not perfectly silent. So yeah, one touch for minimal brightness, second touch for medium, and the third touch is for the maximum brightness. And as you can see, it works really well compared to at least compared to that one that is right now at the maximum brightness, and I'm pretty happy with it. And touching again goes back to 0. Touching and holding it will turn it into the options available. Now you have all the colors. Now you can go see that it goes from one color to the other color. Now these are all the colors which are available. As you can see, red, blue, cyan, purple, all that is available. And there's also a rhythm mode which is interesting. So right now it is in blue, yellow. Now this is the color change option, which honestly is one of my favorite one because it just gives you an ambient color, which is really cool. I'm really happy about this. It doesn't have a brightness adjustment in this mode or in any of the colored modes, so that was kind of disappointing for me, but it is available. And you have this option which is reacting to the sound whichever is available. So if I play the sound, it's gonna go absolutely apeshit crazy. So there is that one. Now the accuracy of the sound and everything else is different, and it is debatable, but it is a cool effect. And again, for the price, I don't think I can fault it much. So again, long pressing on it gives me back my candlelight option, and I'm really happy with this one. This is exactly what I wanted, and having a speaker attached with it is just gravy for me, so I'm really happy with that. So guys, there you have it. That is the I don't remember the exact name of this thing as of now. It is a portable Bluetooth speaker with smart color changing touch mode night lamp. That is the description from the Amazon page. I will provide a link in the description so you guys can check it out if you want to. So yeah, if you are interested in something like this one, to be extremely honest, it doesn't disappoint. Okay, it is not broken like many of the other reviewers say, but I do want to mention that I might have been lucky, because something like this which is really just gonna be out there, it is mass produced in some portion of China and then shipped out to any number of places, so you can't really bet that you will get a good piece. But I do want to say that I got a good piece, and I'm really happy with it. It works decently well, and yeah, that is pretty much it. So there you have it guys, that is the portable speaker with night lamp function, and I really like it. So you can check in the description below for the links to it. It should work really well. Hope you guys liked the video. Please share, subscribe and like the video if you found it useful. See you guys next time. Bye.